And in breaking news related to the Badlapur assault case, the Maharashtra Bandh has now been called on the 24th. This is the news that we're getting in, that the Maha Vikas Aghadi has called for this Maharashtra Bandh. All major parties will be participating. The Badlapur assault case was also discussed in a meeting by the Maha Vikas Aghadi. So an opposition calling for a Maharashtra statewide bandh on the 24th, and they're also saying that all big parties are going to be part of this big Maharashtra bandh, the Maha Bandh that has been called by the opposition. Massive protests, in fact, broke out in Badlapur town. As you can see on your screens, angry parents, local residents, citizens, others blocking railway tracks, ransacking the school where these two young children were allegedly sexually abused. Let me go straight across now to Prashant for the very latest. Prashant, tell us a little bit more about this Maharashtra Bandh. The SIT has been formed. The case has been sent to a fast-track court. Ujjwal Nikam has been appointed. Why is it that the Chief Minister is saying that this protest is politically motivated?
आज ही महाविकास आघाड़ी की मुंबई एक मीटिंग हुई। उस मीटिंग में तय किया गया कि आने वाले 24 को ही एक पूरे महाराष्ट्र में बंद पुकारा जाएगा, जिसके अंदर राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस, साथ में शिवसेना और कांग्रेस, ये तीनों पार्टी मिलके बदलापुर को लेके जो भावनाएं हैं उस भावनाएं जनता तक पहुंचाने के लिए ये बड़े बंद की आयोजन किया गया है। और साथ में जिस तरह से देखा गया है कि एक तरह से ये भी बात उभर कर आ रही है कि दो छोटी बच्चियों के ऊपर जिस तरह से एट्रोसिटी हुई उसको लेके ये बहुत सेंसिटिव इशू है और उसको लेके आगे सरकार ने बहुत गलत तरीके से इसको देखा गया है। इस तरह से बात उभर के आने के बाद में जनता तक जो सच्चाई है वो पहुंचाने के लिए भारत बंद का आयोजन किया गया है।
Ji, Prashant, thank you so much for giving us this news about a Maharashtra Bandh that has been called on the 24th by the opposition in the state. Let me also get in a quick word from Mayuresh. He's been tracking the story. Mayuresh, as I just said, that this sex assault case has now been fast-tracked. Ujjwal Nikam has been appointed as the public prosecutor. Why is it that Eknath Shinde is sensing conspiracy? Why is he calling this anger, the protest by the parents and the common citizens to be politically motivated?
Because if you remember, in that protest, people were clearly saying that we are not interested, especially the women who were protesting, they were saying that we are not interested in government's 1,500 rupees financial aid. We want security and safety. And from that point, somewhere the government is feeling that this particular protest which happened yesterday at Badlapur railway station is politically motivated, and there is a chance that the opposition must be involved in this protest, and that's why Eknath Shinde has made that statement.
Okay, Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us with those key details. Let's quickly shift our attention to another bit of breaking